Brentwood for your wonderful opening number. Today on Becker's Easy Eats, we are making masala fried rice. Masala fried rice can be prepared in many different ways. This recipe is very easy to make and is super delicious. Here are the ingredients. First, my sous chef will prepare the vegetables we need: the bell pepper, onion, carrot, tomato. Arrange them together with the minced garlic, grated ginger, green peas, and the optional green pepper.
We would appreciate it if you like this video. Leave a bit of nice comment below. Share this with your best friend. And of course, subscribe to our plushie channel. And so you won't miss any updates. Hit the ding ding bell too.
What makes this version of masala fried rice extra delicious is the addition of fried potatoes. Cut the potato into small cubes. Fry them until golden brown. Set aside. In medium hot oil, bloom the cumin seeds for a few seconds. Add in the onion together with the garlic and ginger paste. Fry until brown. Tip in the green chilies and tomatoes. Add the carrots, add the curry leaves, bell pepper, and green peas. Now we are going to add in the spices, which includes red chili powder, garam masala, coriander powder, turmeric powder, and ground black pepper. Stir and mix thoroughly. For the main ingredient, it is best to use cold, day-old, cooked basmati rice or jasmine rice. Stir and mix very well until the rice is thoroughly coated with the spices and aromatics. Tip in the cooked potatoes we reserved earlier. Garnish with a wedge of lemon, a few slices of tomatoes, and a red chili just for color. You can enjoy your masala fried rice with a side of cucumber and yogurt raita. And there you have it, my dear friends. A super delicious comfort food, masala fried rice.
Do I get a whole plate of that delicious rice after my dancing?
Of course, Brentwood. Thank you very much for watching. Join me next week for another episode of Becker's Easy Eats. Please support this plushie channel by buying me a coffee.